I'm at a senior women's camping meetup, and I'm going to tour this fabulous minivan RV. It has a microwave, refrigerator, air conditioner, TV, sink with hot running water, outdoor shower, max air fan, 4,600 watts of power, side awning room, and did I mention it gets 28 miles per gallon?
Hi, I'm Mary Beth. I think Jan and I have been trying to do this for the last year. Right.
Yes.
So this is a 2020 Mercedes Metris. It was just an empty cargo van in a shop up in Oregon called Keystone Coachworks. Puts this all together. They put in the kitchen, the stone, the top, the water, hot water heater, cabinets, the floor. According to the specs I wanted, because they had a lot of different things that you could choose from, like a house. For instance, the tile color and the floor, the way the floor is. And if you wanted a roof or not, that doesn't come with all of them. You have to say, hey, I want the pop-top roof. I wanted something that would fit in my garage because I had a high top like Marcia's over there, and the HOA was not happy about it. So I don't want to give up RVing, so I found this and had it built out. It took them about 4 months. But it was worth the wait. And then they actually put it on one of those big old trucks and shipped it to me, so I didn't have to go to Oregon. Okay, basically when you add a pop top like that, it's not only for headroom, but you can also have it as a bunk. It has like this flat area, and you just pull it down, and you can put an air mattress up there and have 2 people sleep up there, and then 2 down here, the way it came. But I made a modification since it's just me and my dog. I took out the bench seat and made a single bed here. So that's the only build I did. This was on my 4Runner, which was my mini camper before this, and a lot of overlanders use the ARB touring brand.
Okay.
But it basically comes out about 8 feet and 6 feet. So it's like an extra room. And then they have what they call an ARB room. Once this is out, you can zipper it all in, and it's real private.
I've never seen another minivan done like this. Have you seen some others like this?
I mean, I get people all the time going, that's like the old Westphalias, you know, the old Westies, the VWs back in the 70s. And I'm like, yeah, isn't that cool? I love it.
Really.
I do. I love it.
That's your motion sensor light.
It does. It's really great at night when it's dark, especially someplace like this. But it's just Velcroed on. For ventilation, they have a window on the kitchen side and on this side. And they also were nice enough to put blackout curtains in here, so it really can get private in there. And then I had this on my 4Runner, and I took it off and put it here. This is also for ventilation. There's a rain guard here to keep this out, but this also will keep rain out. But the ventilation will come up in here. I bought that, and it was made for the Metris, and I kind of played with it a little bit because I have an air conditioner that I wanted to hose out here, so I bent it up a bit.
The height here, look at that, way up there. I'll stand up in a minute. Right now I'm sitting on her bed.
This is just your standard Mercedes-Benz Metris, but I like it because it's a Mercedes and it's gas engine, it's not diesel, so I feel it's a pretty decent engine. And so if you come into here, this is where the kitchen is, and I travel with my Berkey. Have to have that fresh water, and this is a 6-gallon tank under here, and it's hot and cold. I do have a water heater.
Oh my God. It's probably an on-demand?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
an on-demand water heater in her minivan.
Why not have all those comforts? And then this is where the sink is, but I can stuff some stuff in there too, so why not? They have a little sneaky cabinet here.
Oh, cute.
Some towels and some more plates.
Oh, every little bit counts, and that's great.
Yeah. And this is just a teeny tiny refrigerator. I'm not going to open it because everything will fall out.
Right, got it stuffed full. How much does that hold? It's a Dometic.
I would say it's probably a 20-gallon. That holds all my perishables, and then I put all my drinks in this one. It's
Oh yeah, what brand is that one?
It's an Ice Co. You can do freezing or freezing and just refrigerator, or just refrigerator. I have just my drinks in there. So.
Nice, so you've got 2 refrigerators.
Yeah, so that makes up for that being really small.
Oh, look, she's got a butterfly track.
Gotta represent.
Yeah, it looks good there.
So anyway, this is just for my silverware. I don't know if you want to pull everything out, but just silverware in there.
Yeah.
And keep all my coffee bits in here. It's about, I'd say, almost a 10-gallon water tank, and that's where that lives, right here, right behind this.
Okay, water tank is there.
And then
That's for the clean water. What about for your gray water?
Gray water, it goes out the back, and you can put a bucket underneath that. Or for a place like this, and it's just, you know, natural soap, it's dumping right on the grass up there. I don't think that's a big deal. This one, okay, let's hope nothing falls out. But that's all my pots and pans and my brawlers.
Yeah.
But that's all my cookware. This is with that tape, Gorilla Tape or whatever it's called. You
Yes.
stick it on. Everything, I promise, nothing moves. Where I keep my clothes.
Uh-huh.
Got this stackable things and then...
Yeah, you got packing cubes.
Yep.
Nice.
Girly
Keeps it
stuff.
organized. This is very organized.
Oh
It's
my
so
gosh.
nice.
And then this is my, well, I have coffee up here, candles and spices and some various tools up there. You gotta have me chips. The chips are up here.
Ah, snacks.
So, yeah. Oh, and this is a utility chore, kind of a junk chore. You got an air pump here. I got a battery jumper back there, a NOCO. Extra puffy blanket. These are my extra cables. I think everybody, you've probably seen these all over the place.
Right, a lot of people put them in things like that.
I mean, but look at all that. That's ridiculous.
yeah.
And I got some cleaner. There's a little toolbox, and you know, you never know when you got to measure something.
For sure.
Oh, this is to turn on the inverter. You would switch this on here, and you see that the inverter's on. So now when I'm not plugged in, I can run electrical devices like at home. It's like a little mini RV. This panel obviously comes with the bill, but it has your water heater on. It shows you the volts.
Wow.
It has lights inside. The water heater will turn on, but I'm not going to turn that on. More lights.
Oh, lights down on the bottom. Oh, that's pretty at night, I bet.
It is gorgeous, and you can change the color.
Yeah.
And then aux power if you want to do your phone or whatever. I have two 100 panels each, so I have 200 watts of solar.
And you have a couple of portable ones out back, too. Probably
do.
another 100 out there
That's
on the
100,
ground.
it's 160. And that's for this, to power my refrigerator. It runs onto my jack rails under there.
By the door. Ta-da! I am standing in a minivan.
Okay, so there used to be the bench that came with it. It had 2 seat belts, but since it's just me, and the bench pretty much blocked all this stuff, unless you put it up into couch mode, and I didn't want to fool with that every time, so this is just a wooden bed that I made. So you can tell I made it look. It doesn't look great, but
works.
It works.
How tall is it? Because people want to know how much you can store under it.
Well, let's see. I'd say it's about 1.5 feet.
That's good.
And I have all my food in these storage bins like this.
Yeah, using all that space. Oh, that's nice.
So I have a spare little EcoFlow if I ever want to charge stuff outside like my phone or whatever, or put lights on.
And how big is that one?
I think it's like 600. Okay, this came from Germany because Germany, Metris, that's where the car is made. And they designed this bag, and otherwise it would just be a big old window, which is fine too, but I have gobs of storage in here. Look at this. Got all kinds of clothes and backpacks.
Is that something people can find like on Amazon or some way people can get one of those?
No, it's from Germany. They're not on Amazon.
Okay.
But
But they probably could be ordered online?
Oh yeah, that's
Okay.
what I did. You have to pay for it to ship overseas.
But it fits very efficiently in the window of a minivan there.
Right, right. I mean, I got all kinds of junk in here.
Yeah, that's a good size. It's like a suitcase.
It is like a suitcase. So, to use the bathroom, I have this little portable guy. Basically, it's a poop and potty divider type deal. And gosh, it's clean. Anyway, you put sawdust or whatever in there, and it separates your urine from your poop. And you can it's got a bag, and you just take a bag out. And then it's empty, thank God. And then this you can fill up. This is about 2 days worth of, depending on how much you drink.
Yeah.
But you can take that to the toilet and dump it. And apparently it doesn't stink, so I just got it.
And it is a Trillino.
Trillino.
What do you use as absorbent in the bags?
I used pellets.
Okay. All right. Right. And you have beautiful arched windows. This one in the front door is plexiglass. And this one is, the other two are screened like this, but you can close them, of course, zip them up with the covers here. This is how it latches down here, apparently, right? When you close it, the latch that holds the top down.
It comes with 3 of these panels, so it would be over to you, Jan. I opted to take them out so I could stand up all the way back here and just have this as storage. That's all I need, especially since I have that box now. I really don't need that much in here, so it's been wonderful though.
This would have been, someone could have slept up here.
Yeah, normally they would have this as one piece and you'd flip it up so you could stand up here and probably to here. And then once you want to go to bed, you slide this down and you'd step up like in between the seats. But for me, it's just me
One
traveling.
person.
Yeah. I get great gas mileage. I think I got 28 miles per gallon on my way up here. So that's good. Yes, that's a little cabinet I got from Amazon I put together, and since I have so much power, I can run a microwave off the house batteries, and got a little TV.
That's more storage.
That's more storage under there.
That's just a little Amazon any kind of rack, right?
Right, exactly.
Kitchen rack. But this is so nicely done. How well all that stuff fits.
Yeah.
I mean, so every bit of it so professional. Now let me get you a shot of the cathedral ceiling here.
Yeah.
We ought to have the Sistine Chapel paintings up there. I guess that's what I'm thinking of.
This is a fantastic fan, and thankfully I have a remote control, because I would never be able to work it from way up there. But it goes in and out. So if you're cooking, you want the smells and stuff to go outside. And to bring this thing down, luckily they have these.
Right.
So you pull these down and then
And it comes down pretty easy?
Yeah, it does. Well, you have to have the windows open so the air has some place to go.
You can pop it up. It's got like springs?
It has struts. They're right here.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So.
Those help lift it.
Oh, yeah.
And ease it down instead it doesn't fall.
Yeah, thankfully.
And this is a minivan.
Back here are two 2,000 watt lithium batteries. And like we talked about before, that's strong enough to run a microwave, the refrigerator, everything that's in here, the hot water heater. I will never be without power. It's easy to get to. This folds up, and then this comes out if you ever had to change them out or work on them.
Right.
This is the water. You hook up a hose here and you have a shower.
Oh, she's got an outdoor shower right there and a water heater in there, no less.
Yeah, the water heater's in here. I can exercise in here.
Yes, let me see. Jumping jacks.
Yeah. Jan was asking about the license plate, which would normally go here, but since I added this box, I had to take the plate off of that to go there.
Yeah, the box would have covered the plate.
Exactly. You probably can still see my lights, but I'm pretty anal and I want people not to hit me. So I definitely tape this on, because I heard people on all sides, because I hear people, look at behind you and they won't see the box.
You've got the swing away arm from Yakima, and they call this the EXO system, EXO system.
That's correct.
And you can add things to it, like a bike rack and everything.
And a basket. And once you get that second rack here, comes up with arms like this, and you put the basket on. You get a kickstand, so it won't be so heavy and push down right here.
Nice.
So yeah, it's a really nice system. I took all of my stuff that I didn't want in there, and it landed in here.
Yes.
It's been great. Well, I got this one in 2020, and I had a 2016 road check. And that was on 20 foot long, and it sat up real high, kind of like Marcia's. I loved it. I didn't want to give it up, but my HOA said, you can't have this. So, okay, I'm going to get them. So I got this, and I love it. I almost prefer it. It's easy to ride. It's great on gas mileage, and it's just cozy. But I don't go like every week, or, and I don't think I have to go every week. It's just,
Just whenever you want. Freedom.
Yeah, freedom. When you're going up north, I'm going.
Oh, I hope you do.
Hear it, I'm going.
Yes.
Yes.
That'll be fun. Yeah, you were on the Route 1 road trip for part of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was
the beginning of something new for me.
Oh.
The caravans. It's a real sense of community.
It really is. I mean, that's really got me started on the caravans stuff, so I'm so happy you did that. It's wonderful. It seems to get better and better after each one. I mean, they have activities, you don't have to participate in them, or you meet new friends, and friends, hook up again, and then you get in another gang. It's just a lot of fun. I mean, I can't explain it. I think it's a movement.
It is a women's movement, new one. Senior women.
Senior women.
Like a confidence thing, right?
And isn't it grand to watch? I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I heard some the other night. She's going, I can't believe I found this group. This is the most wonderful thing that's happened to me. I mean, I think a lot of people are, just opening up. Finally, they're not going to sit at home, and they're going to get out, and they're going to, I can do this. I can do this.
I was just talking to a woman that was very new this morning, and she was emotional about it. She actually teared up.
That's sweet. I love hearing that. It takes a village.
It does. I love that.
A butterfly tribe.
We have created kind of a village, isn't it?
It is. I'm just so thankful I found you guys. That's all I can say. I mean, it's really awesome. I'm 69.
Okay, is that okay to use?
Yeah,
Okay.
69. 69.
I'm proud. Yeah.
I feel like a kid.
I know, don't we?
Yeah.
We're in our second childhood and proud of it.
Yeah.
What are your plans?
To continue to travel with the butterfly tribe. What do you think?
Exactly.
I'm just going to keep going.